Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I will like to show to you the way how you can delete the keyboard collections on your iPhone. So deleting the keyboard can help you to just focus on several keyboard that you are mostly use. So you just need to open the settings, and then you just need to scroll all the way down, and then you just need to tap in this general. In this general, you need to scrolling down again until you found a keyboard, and then you just need to tap on the keyboard option. The next, you just need to take a look on the top side. That could be a keyboard and the number on it, and then you just need to tap it. Now this is the keyboard collection that you have on your phone, and if you have some keyboard that you are no longer use, you just need to go click edit, and now there will be a minus button there, so you just need to tap into the keyboard that you want to remove, and then just confirm that you want to delete and go click done. Now you only have this keyboard so that you can focus only with these two keyboard on your phone. And that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to turn on the notification for the next tutorial.